Hey guys, showing you this Yoobure queen bed frame with a headboard. It's a metal platform bed frame, queen size, heavy duty bed frames with a two storage drawers. So bed frame with the charging station and LED light. So this is all the back end thing. This is all the screws that marked, and all the instruction and the tools and everything is provided here. The manual is self-explanatory. Everything is explained which part is used for where and how to install this bed. So there are two. The good thing is that it have the metal frame, and this metal frame is used like it's very more portable and hard to have the things better than a wood. That is my thing. So all the instructions are given, so it's really easy. So these are the LED lights. So the step first is to you know stick this LED light, and then there are hooks on top of it that you can put the hooks on top of it and then screw them. So once this is installed, this is like the headboard thing, as you can see the quality here, and then step by step we will install these things. So once installed, this is the power outlet. It's our USB-C, USB and two power outlet. So once this is whole installed, and these steps are straightforward. So the wooden head on the top, and this is the wooden shells. The drawers are metal drawers. So the hook is a little tricky, so I will just show you. So you have to just diagonally put in between and then twist like up and down, and the hook will go inside. So once this goes like this, it will hold it in a good shape, and that's it. So once this hold up, you can easily install this drawers here, and the top on the front on the top, and then you can use this. So once you put in the stuff, that is all the metal. So on the top it is just put on the top of it, and then you just push it. So it's a nice bed stand with the metal, so there will be no noise, and it's more sturdy. And then there is no box being required, and you can directly put the mattress in. The drawers are really smooth with the wheels, and here you can put in the stuff and then put it on underneath it. So it's a good storage thing with the wheels, with the metal frame, with the less issue and the noise, and very smooth fabric headboard with a power outlet, so you can do the charging and the table desk.